All right, good morning. Today we are hiking. We're in the Belknaps. We're on the Brook Trail. It's a blustery fall day, but beautiful. Going up a different way than I've been up before. And I do have a special guest. The one and only Toti.
Master hiker.
It's been a while since we've been out together on a hike, but always enjoyable. And yeah, we picked a good one. So the plan is to get up to Belknap, maybe see the plane wreckage, get up in the fire tower, and then hike over to the summit of Gunstock. Maybe have a pint. Bar might be open. They're running the chairlift for foliage, so should be a good day. It's a really pretty trail so far. We've been following this ski slope, which is a glade where the trees are just sparsely in between, so you ski around those. Definitely close to peak, if not peak. Surprised that there aren't more people here. I've only seen one guy and his dog. Oh yeah. Steps are a little steep, huh? Alright, so we're like 50 yards from the summit. You come to this little cairn. We're gonna take it. See where it goes. Climb down was not easy. It's pretty obvious though. We found some surveyor's tape, and it's a pretty well worn path. You can tell tons of people have been down here.
Green and orange.
Green and orange, yeah.
Surveyors.
So we're bushwhacking back from the crash site. Kind of lost the herd path a bit, and found this ledge that gives kind of a different vantage point. It's really cool. Second time in 2 weeks hiking down a ski trail. It's not bad, most direct way down.
You know, you're getting old when.
Right.